Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S9, so let's do it. First you need to power off your phone from the power button and hit power off. And now you must push and hold volume up, Bixby button and power button, all three together until you'll see Samsung logo, so let's do it. Now remove your fingers and wait. And now with volume down, you must select Wipe Data Factory Reset, so let's do it. And now to confirm, just press the power button. Again with volume down, select Yes, and to confirm press the power button. And wait. And now to reboot system now, just press again the power button and wait until your phone will restart. And now all that you must do is the initial setup. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and have a nice day.